Ever wish the assistant menu on your Galaxy S25 Ultra only show the shortcut you actually use? Let's customize it so it feels lighter and faster. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then tap Interaction and Dexterity, tap Assistant Menu. Now tap Select Assistant Menu Items. At the top, you will see the current items already in your menu, and at the bottom, you will see available items you can add. Just tap an item on the top to remove it, or tap an item on the bottom to add it. For example, if you add screenshot and remove screen rotation, the assistant menu instantly updates, showing only the shortcut you want. So if you want a clean personalized menu, just rearrange this item. It updates in real time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.